Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check typography design tutorial on Canva. So let's start. So first let's go to our project and then let's go to the left side and then select elements, and then here you will write something that you want to add. In this case I will write apple, so let's find an apple. In this case I would use an apple image, so let me find something computer free like this one. So now that we have here the element, let's go again to the left side and then let's select apps. Here in apps, let's write the next thing is typography craft. Okay, typography craft. Let's select this one and this. Okay, now let's open this, and here you can find how you can edit a typography. For example, let's write here apple. Okay, now we find these elements. Okay, in this case let's select this one. You can here modify all the typography that you want. Okay, in this case I want to this looks like this one, and we can add like this. Okay, now we find a white color, and then you have to select reset shape if you don't like it and if you want to make again, or add an element to design that is into the apple. So let's add the element, and you will find here the typography for the element, and you can find it looks better than if you add a text normally. So this way you can do it, or you can also edit in the left side. You can edit. Okay, so here is how you can do it, how you can edit typography design on Canva by the app Typography. So as you can see, it's very easy and you can make many designs here. Well guys, I hope it worked for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.